Yes, hello, welcome! Welcome back guys, so another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're setting up the Ring Video Doorbell version 1 and the Ring Chime Pro. Setting this up, we will follow the 4 instructions here very easily. Afterwards we will connect the Ring Chime Pro. Now we have the Ring Video Doorbell. We're gonna press this orange button to set it up, but first we have to download the app, the Ring Video Doorbell app. So let's get to it. So let's enter the Play Store and find the app. So here we can see the Ring Always Home app in the Google Play Store. So let's install the app. And now we can open the app. Ring Always Home. So we're gonna go ahead and create an account. So we're gonna start here with our home address. And now that we have created the account, we will set up the doorbell. So we're gonna click on the doorbells. Allow. And now we're gonna scan the Ring doorbell device. We're gonna scan the Mac ID. And now we're gonna set up our address and hit continue. Now we will confirm the address. And now we will be able to select whether this is the front door, the back door, the office, or whatever it is. And we will select front door because this is for our front door. And now they want you to press the orange button here, so I will press it. After you hit continue, you can now press the orange button. And now you can see that the light is spinning here. It means it's ready to connect to the Ring Video Doorbell app. And now it's looking through the Wi-Fi's here in the vicinity. So we will go ahead and connect this to our router. And it seems it will only be able to pick up 2.4 GHz network. So we will go ahead and connect it to our 2.4. And now it's connecting. The Ring Video Doorbell is right now currently connecting to the Wi-Fi, and wow, it's set up. The setup is complete, so we can go ahead and press continue. And now the Ring Video Doorbell is updating to the latest firmware. And now you can go ahead and set up motion settings and whatnot. So the motion wizard is if you have any staircase, you can tweak it so we can fix any issues with the motion detection of this device, but we do not have any staircase to our front door, so I will press no. And our front door does not face a street, so I will press no. And then you can go ahead and select how far the motion sensor will be able to detect, 5 to 15 feet, 15 to 30 feet, or 30 feet or more. We will select 5 to 15 because that's the vicinity of our front door area. Continue. And now you can set the motion frequency. We'll just set it to standard and dive into those features later on in the review. And now you can go ahead and add family or friends to the Ring Video Doorbell so they can get notified when someone, are ringing the video doorbell, so you can get notified and, pick up your phone and have a video chat with them before you go to the door and get alerts when someone is close to the door. So now that we have set up the Ring Video Doorbell in the app and updated it to the latest firmware and set up the motion sensor and all that, we can go ahead and mount the mounting bracket. We can't remove the built-in one because we do not have permission to do so in our house. But if you can, you should do it because it will look much more cleaner. If you have a stucco, brick or concrete wall, you have to use the plugs supplied with the Ring Video Doorbell, and you have to use a drill machine. But we do have wood here, so we can just use the screws directly into the wood and screw it down. Now we will use the supplied level here and mount it here like this. And now we can mount it very nice and evenly, so it won't be like this or this. So it will be nice and a straight line. And now you have to level the mounting bracket so it will look nice and evenly here. Yeah, every screw is tight now, and we can remove the level. And now we'll hook up the Ring Video Doorbell here to the bracket. And now you have to unscrew those two screws in order to mount the Ring Video Doorbell onto the bracket. And now you can see here we have 3 holes here on that side and 3 holes here on the other side. And you can match those up with those hangers here. So we'll now slide the Ring Video Doorbell onto the mounting bracket. Wow, that easy. And now we will use the 2 screws that we loosened up before and mount them underneath. And now the Ring Video Doorbell is set up, and we will have to set up the Ring Chime Pro because it is easy for those who are not used to technology and smart home to have a regular chime in your household. So the Ring Chime Pro comes supplied with a regular EU plug, but also a UK plug. We'll go ahead and choose the EU plug because we live in Sweden. Just slide it like this, and now we'll find a perfect place for this one to hook it up to the Ring Video Doorbell and connect it with the app. Now we'll just simply plug this in the wall outlet here.
Is in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
As you can hear, we have to continue in the Ring Video Doorbell app. So let's do that. And now we are inside the Ring Video Doorbell app, and now we will press plus set up a device.
Setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
And now we'll press chimes, and we have the Chime Pro. So let's press Chime Pro. And here are our location, our address. We will press it. Yes, and go ahead and press continue. And now, well, what would you like to name this Chime Pro? We will name it Downstairs. And now it will be pulsing here soon. Okay, we press the continue button and it will be pulsing now. It's talking to each other. Now we have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Yes.
Chime Pro is connecting to your Wi-Fi network.
And it's done. Setup is done. That easy. And now,
Chime Pro is connected to your
wow,
Wi-Fi
outstanding.
network. With Ring, you're always home.
And now you can go ahead and grant family members access to the Chime Pro. So we will go ahead and do that. And now we'll go ahead and slide here for ring alerts and motion alerts. And now I think we will be able to use this device. Let's try it out. Someone is at the front door and it's ringing here. Oh my god, I have to answer. Hello.
Hello, it's Suten.
Hello, it's Human here. Human is at the front door. Let's get to him and open the door for him. Human, I'm coming. So that was so easy to set up the Ring Video Doorbell system with the Ring Chime Pro. I'm really amazed how simple that was. Human was also. And we will dive into this deeper in the review that we will have in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, just hit me with questions down below in the comments. And don't forget to press that thumbs up button to show some support. And share this video with all of your friends and family so they can really understand how easy this is. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified of our new upcoming videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it really helps us to grow this channel and keep moving forward. And remember who this is. This is Human and Suten.
Human
And Suten.